Hey, hope everyone's having a fantastic day. Today's video is what I ate today to stay fit and healthy at 45 years old. So I started my first meal at 1 p.m. with this super smoothie. Now this smoothie had 3 dates. It had 2 cups of pineapple, 1 cup of frozen blueberries, 2 celery sticks, a half a cucumber, a half a bunch of dandelion, 4 tablespoons of soaked chia seeds that were soaked in water, and 2 cups of coconut water. So this smoothie has sort of a balance of bitter and sweetness. It's definitely not as sweet as the other smoothies that I've been making that you've been seeing on this channel if you've been watching it. And I actually made this smoothie originally around 5 years ago, and it had been a while since I made it, but I decided to try it out again, and I felt absolutely amazing when I had it. So now I've been making it sort of more on a regular basis. So I recommend trying this one out. It has a little bit of an acquired taste. Like I said, it has a balance of bitterness and sweetness, but it makes me feel absolutely amazing. So I highly recommend trying this thing out. It made about 1.5 liters, so pretty big. Next up, around 5 p.m., I made some banana ice cream. It had 3 dates, 5 frozen bananas, 1 tablespoon of cacao powder, 1 tablespoon of peanut butter, and a 1/3 cup of almond milk. Super delicious. It's like a dessert, but healthy. Then next up at 7 p.m., I made a big salad. It had mixed greens, cucumber, tomato, avocado, apple, cilantro, and parsley. And with the salad, I had some Mary's crackers with some plant-based cheese spread. And then just after that, I had the bowl of veggie pasta. So that was it. Thanks for watching. Make sure you check out my plant-based recipe ebook in the description box. I have some delicious recipes I make on a regular basis. Give me a thumbs up or thumbs down. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. Hope everyone has a great day, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.